complex.
I don't want them seeing me because my mom doesn't like the police around.
Everybody doesn't like us. I get that. I'm used to that by now. And if you know your mom doesn't like us, then why do you keep putting yourself in situations that you're going to get police called on you? Because if you would have never had your friend do this or even wrote this or anything like that and just kept it to yourself.
Dude, I'm tired of them messing with me. That was the whole point.
Then you call us and we deal with it.
Y'all don't never do anything. Y'all believe everything they say, and it's not true.
Just come on, man. I'm not trying to do anything. I'm just going to take you up to your house.
I don't want you to. But then if my mom see the police, then she gonna ask me why they here, and I don't feel like explaining that whole thing to her. I can walk myself home. I'm 19 years old. I've been on this planet long enough to know that I can walk home by myself.
All right, well then, here. Take your song back.
I don't want it.
It's yours. Take it. And get going.
You know that y'all know help.
We're no help, but you're over here in a neighborhood that's not yours.
I never said it was. Did I? No, I didn't.
You're not even supposed to be in here.
I can do anything I want.
There's no soliciting in here. You're not allowed to be in here. You're not walking through. Obviously not if you're over here causing disturbance. No, it's because you think you're above everything. That's the problem. So get going. How about I arrest you right now? How about that? Because now you want to be... Is that how this is going to go? Is that how this is going to go? You got 3 seconds to start walking towards that sidewalk or I'm going to arrest you. 1, 2. All right, well. Turn around behind your bike. You're under arrest. Turn around.
Don't touch me.
Oh!
I don't... Okay. Stop.
No!
I'll stop. I promise I'll stop.
You gonna keep acting like this?
I'll stop.
You gonna keep acting like this?
I'll stop.
I'm done with you.
Okay.
How many times do we gotta tell you?
Okay, I'm sorry.
You wanna act like a man, harassing these people?
I wasn't harassed.
I put you on trespass from almost all these fucking properties over here. You wanna come in this roadway and start cussing and everything?
I'm tired of people messing with me. I had a hard day, and I'm
Well then, I'm not even doing anything for you. I tried giving you a ride home. And you wanna sit here and act like this?
Don't put your hands on me again.
Now get up and get going.
I'm doing what I want.